Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing my spring kitchen decorate with me. I was so excited about this because I actually bought a couple new things, nothing like too extravagant and like huge and big and like expensive and stuff like that. But I found a couple things at Hobby Lobby that were like on clearance. I was so excited to find. And then I got a couple things from TJ Maxx because I had like part of a gift card to use. So got big spender here, you guys. So anyways, I'm gonna just jump right into it and show you guys what I came up with and what I did for decorating my kitchen. And it turned out so cute, guys. This is one of my new items I got this year, this little moss bunny. This came from TJ Maxx and it was $8. And then I'm just going to use a lot of stuff that I already had. The trays from Target. The little clock is from Tractor Supply. And then I have an older candle, and the little chicken also came from TJ Maxx this year. I think that was $4 or $5, but I thought he was super, super cute. And then this is what the corner of my kitchen looks like. I absolutely love this so much. And then another new piece to go along in this kitchen is this little Bunny Love canister. This is redone. I got this at TJ Maxx. This is a little succulent planter that I made, and then these little bunnies came from the Dollar Tree. And I'm doing it pretty simple in here. I do like to add quite a bit. And I will give you guys a full home spring tour within the next week or so. So I will tell you exactly where everything came from. But right now I'm just using a lot of the newer things I bought because it's specifically what I wanted was for my kitchen. So I picked a couple of these things up on clearance at Hobby Lobby. The little can was $2.99, and then the little succulent planter was $6.24. So I thought that was a steal. Everything was like 70 and 80% off, so I thought that was amazing. Wide awake is the way that you left me. And then I'm just going to decorate this little, I don't even know what to call it, but I've had this in the kitchen forever, and then I finally pulled it out of the cupboard when I was decluttering, and I really like this, and then I just made this pretty simple on this side, and I did add that little Happy Easter bunny sign that I got from Walmart, along with like a little teacup set and a little succulent moss candle that I made. And then, of course, just keep bringing it on with the trays. I have plenty of them, and like I said, I will let you guys know during my spring tour where everything came from. But I thought this turned out so simple and super, super cute. And if you guys are wondering how many trays that I have in my kitchen, I'm going to tell you I have 4 trays, 4 different types of trays in my kitchen, and I absolutely love every single one, but I have a spot for every single one. This one I like to put on the top of my refrigerator because, one, I have a really old scale, and it is kind of breaking because it's super old, but I wanted it out of reach of kids. We like to play ball in our house, which I know is like, why do you play ball in your house? But it's gotten knocked down quite a few times, so I wanted it out of reach of the kids and out of our ball playing space. But I thought this looked really, really cute up here. In the backseat, wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me And then I'm just adding my little cotton wreath back here. I wasn't really sure what to do with it, and I don't really hang stuff on my wall that's seasonal. So I thought I'd just rest it up against here, and then I kind of got worried because it was like by outlets and stuff, so I did end up moving it around quite a bit because I don't know why, but I just did. But I thought this looked really cute. I got these little canisters from TJ Maxx quite a while ago. Those were redone. And you guys, that is it for my video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.